Good morning, children. Last class I gave FA1 revision, no children. FA1 revision we completed. Today I am going to explain textbook. And also I informed the 12th FA1 is there, but 12th is for higher classes children. For 16th lower classes FA1. So you want to practice revision, classwork, worksheet. Now I am going to start textbook children. Take out your textbook, page number. Page number 120. Second, page number 120. Max. Draw the beads to show the number. Last class what we did, textbook, read and write the numbers and the number names we didn't know children. Next main, that is draw the beads to show the number. Open your textbook. We finished this main already, but once again I will repeat this main. 763, 850, 4, 207, 930, 197. See, this first byte shows ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Tens, hundreds. Tens, hundreds. See, already the given number, you want to put the bits. In first spike, how many bits will be there? 3. 1, 2, 3. In tens place, 6 is there. So 6 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Draw the beads to show the number. Draw the beads to show the number. Now second one, the ones column 4, in tens 5 is there, 8 is there, 4 bits, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. In ones column, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 means you don't want to put the bits. 2, 1, 2. Here 0. In ones column 0 means don't want to put the bits. Second tens 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 7 bits, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 1. So this mine is over. Now write the number in expanded number. The given 137. One example they did. 1 is in hundreds place, no children. 3 is in tens place. 7 is in ones place. So you want to put, if hundreds place, you write down here 100. Here 30. Here 7. Shall I write this? Now second main, write the numbers in expanded form. Write the numbers in expanded form. Already they did one sum. Now next one, 352. So 3 is in hundreds place plus 5 is in tens place plus dash in ones place. So 300, 5 tens plus 2 ones in numbers. $300 plus 50 plus 2. 467. Next one. See, 3 is in hundreds place, so written 3 here. 5 is in tens place, we written 5 here. 2 is in ones place, 2 written. In numbers, how to write 300? See, 300 we wrote no. 5 tens means 50. 2 ones means 2. 2 is a single digit number, so 2. 467. 100 plus tens plus ones. So, which number you want to write in hundreds place? 4. Tens place 6. 7. See, a 400 means write in the numbers 400, 400, 60, 7. 832. 832. 100 plus tens plus ones. So 800, 3 tens, 2 ones. Here 800, 800, 3030, 2. Like that you want to write the numbers in expanded form. Shall I rub first one, children? Now 654. Here 175, 532, 777, 905, 250. Now we will do this. Okay, we will write first 100 plus tens plus ones plus 654. Here 600, 5054. 100 plus ones. The 100, 7 tens, 5 ones. 175. 175. 500 plus tens, 500, 3 tens, 2 ones. Yeah, 500, 30 plus 2, 532. 100 plus yes, 100, 17, 7 ones, 700 plus 70 plus 7, 777. Here 100 plus tens plus ones. See, in hundreds place 9 is there. Tens place 0 you want to write. No number, only 0 is there. So 5 in ones place 5. 900 plus 0 plus 5. 905. Here 200 plus 5 tens plus 0. So here no place, no children. For that I am writing here. For this 200 plus 50 plus 0. See the given number, you want to write the expanded form. Expanded means you want to long method. Long method means you want to write like this. Finish it neatly. We'll go to next main. What we written on children, 120 page number, 121 also we finished. Now 122. Draw the bits to show the number we finished. Write the number in expanded form. Now exercise number 3. Write the place value of 7 in each of the following numbers. Now exercise number 3. Page number 122. Write the place value of 7. Write the place value of 7 in each of the following numbers. In each of the following numbers. First one, see, you want to write the place value of 7 in this number, numeral first. We will write numeral. Numeral means number. Place value of 7. First one, 467. Second one, 786. Third one, 672. Fourth one, 750. Fifth one, 670. Sixth one, 817. So for this number you want to, where is 7? See, 467. 7 is in which place, children? Here, ones place. So you want to write, if ones place is in 7 is in ones place, you want to write 7 as it is. You want to write 7. Here 786. 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. You want to write here 700. 672. 7. Here 7 is in tens place. 7 tens means 70. Here 7 is in hundreds place. Want to write here 700. Here 6. 7 is in tens place. So you want to write 70. Here 870 means 7 is in ones place. So you want to write 7. Write the numeral form. Next one is write the numeral form. Write the numeral. Numeral means, you know no children now, numeral means number. Numeral form. See, they are already given in the words. You want to write in the numbers. In the box, you want to write in the numbers. Here 700. So first you will write 700. 6 tens means is in 6 in tens place. 1. 761. This is the numeral form. Numeral form means number you want to write. They given in the expanded form. You write in the short form. First one. Second one. 800s. Plus 3 tens plus 5 ones. What will write, children? Here you want to write. First, what will write? 800 means 835. 835. Third one. Plus 4 here you want to write tens plus 4 ones. See, 904 you want to write. 904. Fourth one, 300s plus 2 tens plus 9 ones. In box I will write 329. 329. Fifth one, 500s plus 110s plus 7 ones. 517. 517. Write the numeral form 700 like this. Write the number. They given like this. No children, you want to write in the right here numbers. 761. First one is. Second one is 835. Third one is 904. 329. 517. Now write the numeral form. In words they given, we written numbers. Now in numbers they given, want to write in the short method. Hundred, write the numeral form, plus 20 plus 3 equals to C. Last main what we did, hundreds they written in the words, no children. Now in the numbers they given 100 plus 20 plus 3. How we will write here? Only this number we will take here. 123. This number will take here and write 123. Second one, 500 plus 20 plus 0. So in this, which number will take this number? 520. 900 plus 90 plus 9. 999. 410. 200 plus 60 plus 5 equal to 265. 800 plus 0 plus 7. 807. 700 plus 80 plus 3. 783. 300 plus 30 plus 3. 333. Now write the place value of the underlying digits. Write the place value of underlying digits. So the given underline children in 426, 6 is underline, no? 6 which place, 6 is in which place? Ones place. So you want to write as it is 426. Want to write 6 is in ones place, so 6. Here 603. 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. So you want to write 600. 352. 2 is in which place? Ones place. So you want to write as it is. 928. In this, 2 is in tens place, you want to write 20. 396. 9 is in tens place, so 90. 286. 2 is in which place? Hundreds place, so 200. 757. 7 is in which place? Ones place, so you want to write 7. 278. 278. 7 is in tens place, so you want to write 70. 932. 9 is in tens hundreds place, 900. 529. 2 is in 20 tens place, 20. 754. 5 is in 876. 563. 184. 754. See in this, 7 is in which place, children? Tens place, so you want to write 70. 5 is in also tens place, so 50. Here 5 is in hundreds place, so you want to write 500. 184. 4 is in ones place, 4 you want to write. 754. 7 is in hundreds place, 700. Now here 109. 861. 452. 393. 09. 8, 2, 3, 3. See here 0 is in tens place, you want to write 0 only. Here 8 is in hundreds place, 800. Here 2 is in ones place, you want to write 2. 393. 3 is in ones place, so 3. Here 300. 3 is in hundreds place, so 300. Understood, children? We finished. Write the place value of underlined digits. Next class, we will do exercise number 4. That is, fill in the blanks with the symbols greater or lesser or equal to sign. Understood? Now, I'll give homework, children. Homework is in textbook only, I'll give. Now, page number 112. Page number, see maths homework. Complete. Page number 112. That is 701 to 800 in textbook. Complete page number 112, 701 to 800. That is page number is 112. And so in textbook only you want to write the numbers. Don't write in the homework note. That is page number 112. Good. Thank you, children.